Well, this is the Stratosphere Chamber. And I walked in, I looked in without filming. Look at this thing. Wow. Bloody hell. This is enormous. Did not expect to see this in here. So this is a weather testing centre. You can see how big it is. Holy moly. Wow. Look at that. So this... I assume that there's some chamber on the other side. I don't know if I can get to it. It doesn't look like I can. No. Wow. This is the Great Door, it says here. Yeah, so inside is the chamber itself. This is... wow. This is the next section. The chamber itself is behind that thing, whatever it is. I assume it's in like an insulation material or something. It's enormous. Here's the view from a bit higher up. So I thought the chamber was behind it. This is just the door. So this is the actual chamber in here, which I'm going to have a look in a sec. Control room is behind me there. So I'm walking into the airlock, which is that red thing. So the door is at that end, which is over there. Don't quite know what to expect here. I'll just step. There's a fuselage in there at the minute. I think you get a better view from the other side. I've done super wide, which kind of affects the quality, but it's to try and get this thing in. So that's the door there. And then this is the chamber. So I've changed the setting. I'm just going to walk up inside this time. So you can see where the tubes on the door connect. I'm right in the middle of the ramp, track here, so that's the door. So obviously this is where the equipment over the years were tested. Planes, equipment. What's this? Vickers Merchantman cockpit. Oh, here's the kit the engineers used. It's just some engines. Oh, Grand Slam. There's a bomb over there. And the upkeep bomb over there.